guys, 24/7 Tech here, and today we're looking at the fully maxed out iMac Pro. What does it pack? It packs a lot into what they're giving, but it's also the price of a new Toyota Corolla. Yeah, okay, so let's configure this. So it starts at a base price of $5,000, which is a lot already, but surprisingly it comes with okay specs. 3.2 gigahertz, 8-core Xenon W processor, turbo boost up to 4.2 gigahertz, 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, a terabyte of SSD, Radeon Pro Vega 56 with 8 gigabytes of HBM2 memory, so the graphics RAM, Magic Mouse 2, which is space gray, and the keyboard with the trackpad. I mean the keypad. If you want the trackpad, it's $50 extra, but you can't set the mouse in that situation. If you want the trackpad and the mouse, it's $130 extra for the trackpad. Okay, but this, if you're a video editor and like you want the fastest of everything, and I would recommend going for the 10-core Vega 64 graphics, 128 gigs of RAM, and 2 terabytes storage. Cost around $9,500, but it's worth it if you're spending the money. But for 64 gigs of RAM, you can bump that down to around $8,000, which is also pretty fast. 64 gigs of RAM is pretty good. 2 terabyte storage, Vega 64, 10-core. So that's my suggested model if you're gonna buy one of these, $8,000. But hey, okay. But here we're looking at the holy grail, the fully maxed out version. Okay, so processor, the clock rate goes down. It goes down from 3.2 gigahertz to 2.5 for the 2.5 to 2.3, 8, 10, 14, and 18. It comes with 14 core. I never knew that. I thought it was only 8, 10, and 18, but I guess they introduced a 14-core model. I don't know why, whatever. But we're picking the 18 cores. That brings us an extra $2,400, which is $7,399. Okay. Oh shoot, what the heck? Oh, okay. Comes standard with 32 gigs of DDR4 memory. Let's bump that up to 128 gigs, another $2,400 extra, so that brings us to $9,799. Come on, we're getting all that and just a terabyte SSD? 4 terabytes more like it. $2,800 extra brings us to $12.6K. And now, graphics card. Yeah, if you're a video editor like me, you would want this. You would want to pay $600 extra from a Radeon Pro Vega 56 to a 64. It includes 8 more gigabytes of HBM2 memory. For $600, brings us to $13.2 thousand. And you know what? Let's go all out. Magic Mouse 2, Magic Trackpad 2, Space Gray, $149. I'm getting the standard stand for this iMac, and no. VESA mount adapter kit, that's better. There's a $13,427. And I need Final Cut Pro 10 already, so add that $300. And Logic Pro X, I'm a music editor too, so I guess I'll use that too. I guess. That brings me to $13,727, which is a lot of money. That's one that's one specced out model, I'll tell you right there. But what are we getting now? Let's recap whatever I talked about. You get a 2.3 gigahertz, 18-core Xenon W processor, turbo boost up to 4.3 gigahertz, 128 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, 4 terabytes of SSD, Radeon Pro Vega 64 with 16 gigs of HBM2 memory, Magic Mouse 2, Magic Trackpad 2, Space Gray, VESA mount adapter kit for iMac Pro, space gray. Magic keyboard with numeric trackpad, space gray. And don't forget Final Cut Pro X and Logic Pro X, all running to about $14,000, and you add the tax. Let's see how much that is. Sorry, it wasn't 13,727. It's actually 13,927. But yeah, and the estimated tax. Dang, I'm gonna put my zip code in here and try it. Okay, that calculates to around $1,000 in tax, which brings us to $15,000, which is a lot. At least it's free shipping, I guess. But dang, the tax is a big part of this. $1,000. That's an extra MacBook Air that you're giving them with the tax right there. I don't know, $15K. It's a lot of money, but hey, if you're gonna go for the best thing, I think this would be it. But that's only if you're a Final Cut Pro 10 user. If you're an Adobe Premiere user, which most big video editors are not, because Final Cut Pro 10 is just way better in processing it, you might go for your own rigged PC, but hey, this is the Specced Out iMac Pro for all of you guys looking out for it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.